It's the parking elevator at Addison Tower. This is Dover Traditional. Oh, we got a fan in here. Oh my gosh, sounds like this thing's probably gonna be low on oil.
Hit one. We'll get off at 4 so we can get to the building that way.
Okay, would it be okay if I take for one ride and we'll get off at 4?
I'll get off at 4, you can take it for one more spin.
Okay, because, yeah, how about this? What's going to happen is we'll go up to 5 first and we'll end at 4.
Okay.
We can do it this way. I want to hear this motor. This thing sounds like it's low and it's low and it's low on oil.
Okay. Get off at 4.
Yeah. The elevator was like literally already cavitating when it started moving.
I see.
Because when the elevator reaches the top, that's where it starts making a lot of loud noises.
I see.
Yeah, I'm not going to do a solo ride because the fan is on and I won't be able to hear the motor that well. So with that being said, there it goes, and that's it.